Ever noticed your skin feeling dry and air feeling stuffy all around your home? Let's fix that today. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're exploring the top 5 best whole house humidifiers that bring comfort, balance, and fresh air everywhere. Check the links in the description below. The number 5 product on our list is Mifasol Humidifier. The Mifasol Humidifier transforms dry, dull air into a soft, refreshing atmosphere that feels like breathing life itself. With its massive 20L capacity and dual atomizers, it effortlessly covers up to 1,500 square feet. Perfect for homes that need balanced, consistent humidity. Within minutes, you'll feel the change. Warmer air, smoother breathing, and that peaceful calm your skin and lungs crave. Its intelligent touch panel and remote control make operation effortless, while the 360-degree mist nozzle spreads moisture evenly, leaving no corner untouched. Unlike smaller units, it's whisper quiet and designed for true whole house performance. If you're tired of cracked air and restless nights, this humidifier restores comfort, calm, and freshness. Tested and trusted for real-world relaxation. At number 4 is Dreo Humidifier. The Dreo Humidifier feels like a quiet revolution for your home's air. With its powerful 2.9-gallon tank and 100-hour runtime, it brings lasting comfort without constant refilling. The moment it starts, you can feel the difference. Soft, clean moisture filling every corner of your space, not just near the unit. Its ultra-fine mist leaves no residue, while smart app control and voice compatibility make it effortlessly modern. I love how it adapts to your lifestyle, automatically balancing humidity for sleep, plans, or family comfort. Compared to other models, its whisper-quiet 26 dB performance and RGB night glow feel incredibly premium. For anyone tired of dry air, restless nights, or dull spaces, Dreo adds not just humidity, but harmony, freshness, and calm. The third one on our list is Hiswelle Humidifier. The Hiswelle Humidifier is a powerhouse of freshness, designed for those who crave clean, balanced air throughout their home. Its dual-core atomization delivers a silky mist that feels natural and deeply soothing, covering up to 2,000 square feet with ease. Within minutes, you can feel the dryness vanish, replaced by a calm, breathable atmosphere that nurtures skin, sleep, and plants alike. The massive 4.5-gallon tank runs up to 48 hours straight, while the sleek tree branch nozzle spreads moisture evenly without soaking surfaces. I love its thoughtful touches, the remote control quiet sleep mode, and essential oil tray that adds a soft, spa-like aroma. Compared to others, Hiswelle feels smarter, cleaner, and built for peace of mind. Truly comfort redefined for every season. On number 2 is Lacidoll Humidifier. The Lacidoll Humidifier turns dry, uncomfortable air into pure, breathable freshness. With its massive 4.2-gallon tank and up to 48 hours of runtime, it effortlessly fills spaces up to 2,000 square feet with soft, even humidity. From bedrooms to greenhouses, it keeps the environment balanced and healthy without constant refill. I love how smart it feels. You can set your preferred humidity from 40% to 90%, and it automatically maintains it with precision. The top-fill design is a blessing, making refilling spill-free and quick, while the quiet sleep mode and soothing night light create a calming atmosphere. Compared to others in its range, Lacidoll stands out for its convenience, efficiency, and modern design. Built for real comfort, tested for everyday peace. Now moving to the last one is Whole House Humidifier. The Whole House Humidifier redefines what true comfort feels like. With a massive 4.5-gallon tank and smart humidity control up to 2,000 SQFT, it transforms dry, harsh air into a calm, breathable atmosphere that feels like a fresh morning breeze indoors. I was impressed by how quickly it stabilizes moisture levels while staying whisper quiet, even during the night. And its 360 dg mist nozzle spreads moisture evenly, making it perfect for bedrooms, living areas, or even plant spaces. The built-in essential oil tray adds a gentle aroma that enhances relaxation, while the portable wheel design makes it easy to move between rooms. Compared to others in its range, Whole House feels smarter, more powerful, and beautifully efficient, ideal for anyone who values lasting freshness and peace of mind. Among all, the winner is Hiswelle Humidifier. It delivers quiet, powerful mist coverage with smart controls, perfect for maintaining balanced humidity across your entire home. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best whole house humidifier. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.